Additions.
9 in the mind. 3 fingers up. After 9. 10. 11. 12. The answer is 12. 7 in the mind. 4 fingers up. After 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. The answer is 11. 9 in the mind. 5 fingers up. After 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. The answer is 14. Which is the biggest number? Yes. 5. 5 in the mind. 2 fingers up. After 5. 6. 7. The answer is 7. Which is the biggest number? Yes. 7. 7 in the mind. 3 fingers up. After 7. 8. 9. 10. The answer is 10.
6 plus 2. First draw 6 lines. Then 2 lines. And add all of them. The answer is 8. Do not forget to subscribe to Crayons and Fun. 8 plus 6. First draw 8 lines. Then 6 lines. And add all of them. The answer is 14. 5 plus 5. First draw 5 lines. Then again 5 more lines. And add all of them. So the answer is 10. Remember, whenever you add any number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. 3 plus 0. The answer is 3. 7 plus 0. The answer is 7. 0 plus 6. The answer is 6. 0 plus 4. The answer is 4.